The protests have gained international attention and have been one of the largest and most prolonged in recent history, with thousands of farmers camping on the outskirts of Delhi and participating in various demonstrations and rallies. The farmer protests have attracted international interest and support, with various international personalities expressing solidarity with the protesting farmers and calling for a peaceful resolution to the deadlock. In conclusion, the farmer protests in India represent a complex and multifaceted movement that has brought attention to the challenges faced by agricultural communities and the need for inclusive and sustainable agricultural policies. The farmer protests in India, also known as the Indian Farmers' Protest, are ongoing protests against 3 Farm Acts which were passed by the Parliament of India in September 2020. It has also underscored the significance of peaceful protests as a means of advocating for social and economic justice. The Indian government has engaged in negotiations with the protesting farmers, offering amendments to the Farm Acts and proposing to put them on hold for 18 months. But the farmers have remained firm on their demand for a complete repeal. The farmer protests have not only been a domestic issue, but have also garnered significant international interest and support. The government has offered amendments to the Farm Acts and proposed to put them on hold for 18 months, but the farmers have remained firm on their demand for a complete repeal. The movement has been largely peaceful, but there have been instances of clashes between the protesters and law enforcement agencies. The protesters have demanded the repeal of the Farm Acts and the implementation of minimum support prices for agricultural produce. Various international personalities, including celebrities and political leaders, have expressed solidarity with the protesting farmers and called for a peaceful resolution to the deadlock. The farmer protests have also brought attention to the broader issues of agricultural sustainability, rural livelihoods, and the role of the government in regulating agricultural markets. The global attention on the farmer protests has highlighted the interconnectedness of agricultural policies and their impact on farmers' livelihoods worldwide. The protests have also sparked a global debate on agricultural reforms and the welfare of farmers. The protests have sparked a national and international dialogue on the future of farming and the welfare of farmers, emphasizing the importance of addressing the concerns of agricultural stakeholders through constructive engagement and policy reforms. The protests have also received widespread support from various sections of society, including other farmers' organizations, political parties, and international figures. The farmer protests in India have brought attention to the challenges faced by agricultural communities and the need for inclusive and sustainable agricultural policies, sparking a national and international dialogue on the future of farming and the welfare of farmers. The protests have involved a variety of activities, such as peaceful demonstrations, road blockades, hunger strikes, and tractor rallies, with the demand for the repeal of the Farm Acts and the implementation of minimum support prices for agricultural produce. The Indian government has engaged in multiple rounds of negotiations with the protesting farmers, but a consensus has not been reached. The farmer protests in India have been ongoing since September 2020, with farmers and their supporters opposing 3 Farm Acts passed by the Indian Parliament. The farmer protests have been characterized by a range of activities, including peaceful demonstrations, road blockades, hunger strikes, and tractor rallies. The impasse has led to a prolonged standoff, with both sides expressing their positions through public statements and media interactions.